baby a kiss.
Okay, not a French kiss, just a kiss.
Yeah. No. Play with Lucy. Give Lucy a kiss. Give Lucy a kiss. Turn her around. Where's her face? Give her a kiss. Give her a kiss. Oh, that's nice. We call this the CPR kiss. Hey? Yum. Hello. Hi. Dance. Stand on your feet. Give her a kiss. That sounds like a pretty wet kiss. Paige, get Lucy. Go give Lucy a kiss. Give her a kiss. Give her a kiss. Give her a kiss. Here, Mommy will hold Lucy. So okay. Give her a real good kiss. Oh, that's nice. You only could see how wet Lucy's hair is. Hey, Paigey. Give her a kiss. Give her a kiss.